Woo, she's a little dark tonight, boys. Anyway, out here in the field, just getting ready to start baling. As you can see, you cannot see. So I'm gonna start the tractor up here. Get some lights on. No, if I don't break my damn ankle. There we go. Alright, now that I can talk and you guys can hear, little shout out to Nick. That was my first ear corn eating of the year. No, I didn't raise it. Bought it from the store, but I wanted a little ear corn, so we barbecued it tonight. As you can see, I'm missing probably 14 of my club root acre teeth. Anyway, I'd also like to throw out a shout out to PA Farms. I watched one of his videos shortly tonight before I came out here and started baling, and that guy was spot on about nodder maintenance on your balers. And so I've been doing this for quite a while. That's my my Milwaukee leaf blower. You guys can't see this. Keeping your knotters clean of debris is very important. You can build those things up with the leaves, and the needles won't come up there and lay the twine inside the twine disc, and then you'll get half knots with one end of the string stripped off and a knot on the other end. And it can really make a guy's day or night miserable. So I'm gonna hurry up here and get on the tractor and start making some bales so you guys can see a little bit of footage. So right now it's just a couple minutes before midnight. The hay has just a little bit of dew underneath. So it's just about perfect for baling. Anyway, I want to give myself a little shout out. This field almost to a year to the day is where I did my first video and posted on YouTube. And it All right, guys, I've idled down. This is going to be it for this video. Kind of neat, 2 hands on deck to operate the throttle and all the bullshit that comes along with operating equipment. So I appreciate you guys, and thanks for riding along.